about the name. All we need to do is start drawing it out. So I'm going to put 5 carbons in a row for the first one. And then I'm going to see if 12 hydrogens is the perfect number for what I have here, or if I'm going to have to do some double bonds. So I know this carbon has 1 bond, it needs 3 more, so I'll put 3 hydrogens around it. Same with this one on the end, put 3 hydrogens around it. And then each of these already have 2 bonds, so I'm going to put 2 hydrogens on each of the middle ones. Does that equal 12 hydrogens? Yeah, it does. So it is going to be an alkane, all single bonds between the carbons. Now, what if I were to draw it like that's different, right? No, thank goodness. Some of you caught that. It's the exact same thing. If I was to write the condensed structural formula for this one, it'd be CH3, CH23, CH3. That's the same thing here. Just because I put a bend in it does not make it different. These two are the exact same thing. So this is not one of my structural isomers. I already have it right there. What I can do is take this middle, or this bottom one that I put here, and put it on that carbon. So I can redraw this, C, 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 4 in a row this time. Put my carbon there with my 3 hydrogens there, 3 hydrogens there, 1 here, 2 there, and 3 there. And I'd have 12 hydrogens, 5 carbons. What if I was to not put this one here, but put it on that carbon? Is that the same thing or different? It is the same thing, yeah, because it would be, if we're counting in, we would count from the other side. So it would be on the second carbon. So that's the exact same thing. So I have 2 so far. There's one other thing I can do. I can take this carbon from the other side and move it. I'm going to move it like this, where I have a central carbon, and going off of it are 4 carbons. And then each of those 4 carbons have 3 hydrogens around them. And that is definitely a different structure than either of the other 2. There's nothing else I can do with it. So B is the correct answer. Yes, I know.
So that looks like a methane in our carbons. You have
kind of, yeah.